Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play. And today I'm filming in my boyfriend's office, the front office of his car shop. I love this place. This place is one of my favorite places to be. It's like my second home. So I'm filming here today because I got a box from Pink Teza on Instagram. I'm really excited because I didn't realize this was a doll, but she intermingled it into this box to where it would be a doll. And I have been following her for maybe 2 years. And I have admired her BJD photographs that she has posted and her dioramas. And so when she posted up a doll for sale, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this doll. This is a doll from one of my idols that I have on Instagram. I know idols is maybe a big word, but she is. She's one of my idols. I absolutely adore her. I love her artwork. I love her diorama work. I love her photography work. I love how she styles her dolls. She's so good at it. So if you haven't followed Pink Teza yet on Instagram, you totally should. She's awesome and you won't be disappointed. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So first we have our doll. And she also does her doll's face ups, so I think she did this one. I wonder how this head fits, because there's no S-hook. I hope it didn't fall down there. Hopefully there's some type of way for the S-hook to connect in there, but I think, so this is the head. I don't know how to open it without, I don't want to rip it. Did she tape it? Yeah, she taped it. Okay, so here is the head. Yes, it has a peg. Okay, I was worried for a second. I was like, what? Okay, so she doesn't have any eyes right now, but this is what she looks like. She's so cute. She's so cute. And then I'll stick her on her body. Oh no, how do you fit on there? Should I just move you around until until you pop? Cute. Oh, she's got freckles on her nose. I hope you can see the freckles on her nose. I will do a photo of her at the very end. So she is a ball jointed doll. She has ball joints in every single joint. So she is for sure a ball jointed doll. Not saying that the dolls that have the other type of joints aren't ball jointed, but she is for sure a pure ball jointed doll. So there might be some eyes in here. I'm not quite sure, but we'll look. So there's tons of stuff in here. Put her right there. So we have her wig, which I asked her if I could have the wig with the doll, and she said yes. Here she is with her wig. Oh, I'm so excited for this doll, like so excited. So we also did a partial trade with some clothes. I was selling a doll and she was really interested in my doll. It was, I can't remember all of a sudden what it was, but it was one of these dolls that I had for sale for BJD, and she wanted it, and she wanted to do a partial clothing trade and a partial cash trade. So that's what we did, and that's why I got these clothes in here. Oh, I just saw an eyeball roll. So there are eyeballs. I just don't have any eyeball or eye putty in here. That would be cool if she would have included some. Just because I'm not home and it would be cool to put them in right now. Oh, they must have been in here because there's nothing in here. So we'll keep those eyes in there. So there's this cute little coat she traded me. It's a winter coat. It smells really good. I think it's real leather. It has to be, or maybe it's faux leather, but it feels like real leather. So actually the clothing trade still has yet to get here. These are just extras she sent me out of her own kind heart. So yeah. And it has a fuzzy hood, so that'll be cute on her. And then I also wanted some shoes, so she said that she would trade me some shoes. So here are these cute little yellow polka dotted Converse. They got polka dots on them. I hope you can see that. And this cute little pajama with monsters on it. I'm probably not going to use that, but I might on one of my SD dolls. And then this beautifully knitted, is this crocheted or knitted? This looks knitted. This is a knitted sweater, which I might put on her right now. And then we also got this cute New York shirt. I should send this to my friend because my friend lives in New York and she just got into BJDs. So it's a cute New York shirt. And then some really cute leggings. They're like a mermaid, like Elvis-y design. I know those two things are completely different. Then we have a Tommy Hilfiger hoodie, which I love this. This is the one I actually might put her in. And then I'm not sure what this is, but this could just be, oh, it's a hat. So it's a hat made from some type of Easter-like material, but this like, it's just a little hat that goes on her. And yeah, so that is it for this doll. And then I also got her COA, which is inside of here. So she's called FOC Red Shadow. So this is done by Peaks Woods, which I actually just opened a Peaks Woods video, so that's kind of cool that I opened another Peaks Woods right after the other. I love Peaks Woods. They're really high quality. Their face-ups are phenomenal. They hand paint their face-ups, but I do think Pink Tessa did this face-up because it looks a lot like her style. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like my BJD videos. I'm sorry it was in the office instead of in my little studio, but I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to me and comment below and let me know your thoughts. All right, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.